The ResMed Swift FX mask, you can see here the name ResMed is on the headgear there, and the name of the mask is there, Swift FX. This is a wonderful nasal pillows option. Comes in 4 sizes: extra small, small, medium, and large. So it has a tubing, looks like about a foot long, maybe a little longer. The headgear and the nasal pillows. So this is a nasal mask that has a special name called nasal pillows. It's a subcategory. So the first thing, you decide which size pillow best fits your nose. The Swift FX for her comes with the extra small, small, and medium. And the regular, and it comes in pink. And the Swift FX comes in a small, medium, and a large. So if you have large nares, you can't get the pink headgear. Very disappointing. So you pick out the size that works the best for you. We'll go with medium for now. You wash your cushion daily with dish soap and leave it to air dry. Any stuff on the pillows here will increase the chafing of your nose. Now sometimes after you wash it, the inside lining gets shoved down. Not entirely certain you'll be able to see that. But there is an inside, there are 2 layers, an inside lining and an outside. And when the inside one gets shoved down, the airflow doesn't come up right. So always double check and make sure, and if it's not up, then you've got to push it back up to make sure both of these are going up. You see the 2 gray discs? We're going to put this in right in the middle of those 2 discs. When you're done, you'll notice that the outside gray piece is nice and smooth out here. If you put it in too far, you don't see the gray disc on the outside. And it doesn't really sit right either. It's just not right. You went too far. So pop it in right in between, and you'll see the gray discs on the inside there. To attach the headgear, you'll notice these 2 squares are not the same. This one has a tab on the side. That one does not. That's how you get the cushion in correctly. Which way is up? Because this way will not work very well for you. That way is better. So if you notice, if you look, there's a square here and there, but this one has the notch. That goes on this side. Another cue is the writing, the size of the mask is next to the word Swift FX. After you put that one in, then you go around and make sure this isn't twisted and put in the other side. When you put this on your head, leave the top fairly loose at first. Snug up the back strap first. And then you only tighten this just enough to get this just over your ear. If you tighten this a lot, you will end up shoving your nose up. And that really hurts after 5 hours. You'll think somebody punched you in the nose. So don't over tighten the top strap. You only adjust that so much, just so much to get it over your ear. Now there are some people that they might have 1 finger's width between their ear and the band. But that's about as high as it might go. The key is not to shove this up your nose so tight that it hurts. The seal generally can be achieved by tightening the back strap. So this goes on top and this goes on the back. The biggest mistake people make is they put it on upside down with the blue on the top and this in the back. And it doesn't really fit well. And you have a lot of leak issues, and it's very frustrating when it's on upside down. Wash the whole thing once a week, tubing and all. Leave this to hang to air dry. And these holes, what's nice about this particular mask, they designed the holes to blow the air down instead of straight out at your bed partner. So if you feel air coming out of these holes, that's a good thing, because that means carbon dioxide is coming out of your mask. So don't duct tape these holes. And that is the Swift FX, ResMed Swift FX Nasal Pillows mask.